gently on the accelerator. We're going to pull forwards. Forwards and to the left. We're going to go out here. That's it. Straighten yourself up and hang back. Just let the BMW out because it's a ride car. Okay, bit of gas now, bit of gas. That's it. So turn into the right. Bit more gas, bit more gas, bit more gas, bit more gas. That's it. And then steer left. Bit more gas. Then you're going to stay left, and steer into the right now. That's good. Straighten yourself up and on your gas, on your gas, on your gas. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Steer into the right. On your brakes. Into the right. That's good. Pass on the right hand side. Bit of gas, bit of gas, bit of gas, bit of gas. That's good. Not too much, not too much, not too much, not too much. That's good. Stay right. Steer into the left now. Steer into the left. Drift out to the right. And then steer into the left again. That's it. Stay left and then steer into the right. That's good. And then steer it nice and smoothly through the chicane. Through the chicane. There we go. Off your gas, off your gas, off your gas. That's it. Straighten yourself up. On your gas now, on your gas. On your brake, on your brake, on your brake, on your brake, on your brake. Off your brake. That's it. Just nice and smooth. That's it. Bit more gas, bit more gas. Into the left. Then stay left, stay left. Steer into the right now. That's good. Straighten yourself up on your gas. Good. Keep it moving, into the right. Across to the left. Into the right. That's good. So hang back until they say that we can overtake. Keep going, stay behind them. Ease off, into your left. Drift across to your right. And then back into your left again. Nice and steady. Back off, back off, back off, back off, back off, back off, back off. We don't want to go to the back. Hang back, hang back, hang back, hang back. Let him get away. Let him get away, let him get away, let him get away. Just for this section. That's it. Good. Good. Now not too much gas this one. A little bit more, a little bit more. Hang back, hang back, hang back, hang back on your brakes. Off your brakes, off your brakes. Just nice and steady. We're going to let this Ferrari pass with. Steer to the left, stay left. And then into the right. Straighten yourself up. Bit of gas, not down to the floor. That's it, that's it. Bit more, bit more, bit more, bit more, bit more. Into your right. Now on your brakes, on your brakes, on your brakes. More brakes, more brakes. Off your brakes. Into the right. That's good. Now stay right. Steer into the left now. Drift across to the right. And steer into the left. Just nice and steady. That's good. Tight right. And then this time we're coming off here. That's it. On your brakes. Brake, 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 brake. And then just pull in here. Pull in here. Off your brake. Off your brake. Off your brake. Off your brake. Right then.